Welcome to your number one soccer podcast in the land. Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast. Always proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods, our number one sponsor from day one. And I'm your host, Archford Khateri. As always, I'm always with my partners in crime. If Machisa here, if you was staying here, Machisa is always a Machita. Machisa ever inform, what's the behind the scenes. Toby, I'm not sure. Where's our answer?
I will reach your time.
Yeah, the men on phone. She have a team as well.
I will have learned what you want to.
That's all. I was one.
Yeah, feel.
Can you say, I'm from a museum? Don't try to one. Don't try to steal that.
I will know.
What is that? I'm from a
museum.
It's a news.
Yeah, I will lose it. Too many people tell you. Always get this guy.
Hey, what for you keep winning bonus?
Go with that.
Hey, by the way, what she's choose, but we never found out the space. 4-0 choose village. First game, choose village. This was the village match.
I'm not. There was a home without your way.
You home proper home. I'm a team as a over. Yeah, it's the team is but I'm not about the chips.
Hey, I did have a team here.
Where's what food is it?
Hey, I just sleeping out for my kids.
What are you trying to do? Since the vessel is checking who saw the bridge, I might give you as a way. But I'm here to be in a place.
Hey, this is a weird place.
You control one. Valid people in the Panama, man, is a Hey, that's also
precious very cool.
Hey, what a team of tourists is doing
really.
Tourism opposer, you coaching.
We look at the glorious winner.
In the team of Twitter, Toby,
he played
rook. Hey, is coach Black Rook.
Hey,
come on. The message that I'm saying is continue doing well. Former players.
This is one video, so you probably will do that.
I understand. Very much one way for me again. I wanna cook it, winning 4. Hey, 4. I don't want the former players. Doing well. And if you can get cars, it's all the nice. Everything that I'm at it. I was one of then Central Region had a division, still on division soccer matches. Boneo Johnson Bozora is doing an amazing job.
Number 3.
Small is fighting against the Shesham.
Yeah.
Financially paid.
Exactly.
The
mind is pro. I think at the rope with the Shesham very high.
Jay. Funkulma in Central Region. Division and the Central Region. It's exciting. Indians are going to Mbone ndingaita wazama GP support.
I feel
game yabo izolo. Ndoja.
Wina 3.
I don't
know support when I think of experiences in the I don't know support the crowd banging and that's what I don't know what to do. We get such a 90 minutes.
And you do Kuma, we be not to do a time for zero. We can't feel
that big kid. I was this one. Entertainment demand.
Johnson goes to keep it up. And then double take tennis copy, so we can
experience.
You understand?
Yeah, I think that's what they're doing with.
And
because the same child of a corner, so
it's already Nigeria,
yeah.
I started 2 years old. Strike. I thought I was going to see and try to I'm a replica.
My name. I don't know that I don't know social media we play. I feel I
GP.
Oh, now if me, you will post a game away.
Oh, table, my main 8.
Very serious.
It's quite nice to see. This
what time you do.
Order.
I mean,
into some proper. When the chapu we are throwing, I chapu with Zavada.
I don't feel my team out.
Chapu to the Shapan.
The Shapan, thank you. I want big teams to be a former.
But they tell you about this time. I
it's entertaining.
And I will talk if your Puma senior, my phones basically need to be one. The Pan, you were shining fine yesterday. As a woman,
we were very well to imagine. Just imagine.
Then who know the rich in Hardy, call a mammy tweet. Otherwise, my exact manga, what vision I. But the up to Tiafuna, I don't even tell you what to company. I wouldn't want to say, give me the yes, I never tell you why. Not the rich in Bonucci, Burama, Mammy two games. I had a part with about a Brazil, footer. But the mammy to get the Pina Basalapati is but I come up if you understand opposite. He came a week of the day. No Wednesday. The check of Paris there's to read which you know stars. If I know the other cities that was 0-0. Madam, I midweek. They don't far away more. They will pass what the other Sundowns. But now they're very uneven. It's between Akama and Mombia or they are not trying what they mix. This is really keep the Chino Rangers.
But the competition in
there is Zora. Akama futi akamarikanya cha Ramos yali check to 4 lokuzi ingombe yaora iwinile
check to 4
ipeka check to 4 ingombe yaora ina 3 package ilo kyakona no check uzabona ukuthi akama lokhu phezulu nge19 points channel nge1 point
where asoma point amani abashoni
bashene yo1 then iGolden Eagles bayichiya wena nge2 points yakama ile 17 ichino ile Zambezi is the 16 you know the region just ukuthi abantu basebona
ingene
asifunde abantu phuma yabona abantu mele knowledge ngedisc. Then Toby, never been in Zafuna when I cool. When I was still active, you know how to handle yourself as a professional. He came between Scotland, the chicken in fried plate, at Calipona. I was still active. And I'm a contact, said what you are, coach, super educated guys. No referee has a charge.
The decision is final.
How are you supposed to behave and whatnot? The decision, no referee wrong or be right. Still around game decision.
I have an as a player, you Milan team, Milan and Pigs and crazy. yena vele decision yakhe wona yokuyichinja ngathi phela wona uyichinja manje umambe kolumshaye vele wona uyichinja uyabona so sometimes ukuthi uphela ibhola lama emotions and i problem yebhola sometimes
I know what
but there is ifuna maybe umuntu maybe like uphothoza limisa utama chess asukini urefu uyabona because vele as a player vele kwana sport happen ukubona World Cup uyabona urefu bemjani bemgcwalile ikhuluma laye ukuthi awufa la iphela or something but it's wrong vele urefu na awumelanga lenjani
until yovuma ukuthi
it's wrong kona it's wrong ukaliso ungatheli sile but
so wathi ngiphume eceleni bicha i-team ingafaka maybe ngcebele i-finance anele yahola
vele i-fine yona lana
i-team ingalifakile kumele beli-finance
njena vele i-fine as a team
sisakhuluma hayi sihambe kuzi sisakhuluma lina i-team lina lothu i-team awukho shabhini ukuthi ilifakile ukuthi madoda ndingasurround uref umbe nxa waso-captain ngihamba le-surround uref siyawudonsela imali
sokusiya nge-team uyabona i-problem eyenzakala laphana for ukusurround uref ukwenza ama-team engabile lokhwana ukuthi it's a fine or something and ukuthi lina labele agiwa for a purpose ukuthi lifuna ukunjani uwine wonke umuntu eklabhini ufuna ukuwina so lonke labele lizama ukuthi lizama ukutholani ama-points wona lawa bekhona on-stage so ukuthi ngeberefu bagcina besithi ama-emotions iyabe siyitake over lapha yabo but kulamanye nje amafayini ukuthi umuntu yabe-one eyedwa enesilwa lo refu liyana obvious club i-take section but lonke as a group ingayenza njalo yeukhawunta bathi bezama unjani uprotestelani ilokhu zilingana of which urefu sometimes iphena sometimes yakwanisa ukuthi liyoprotesta urefu to delay ukuthi ipenalty ithathwe masinya ipenalty tika ama-navy sengani sephansi lapha sengafike ekhuta ngoba asachisanga yabo delay momentum enajani most of the time vele yinto lebeliyenze to delay momentum yephena
then asingene in context in this time is the game between chicken in Scotland, the home side, the chicken in following Friday. What transpired? We also have a video. Always I believe upon a decision, you know why? Because I hear chicken what a similar incident.
I hate to teach him by me child.
Yes.
And then you are saying Nigeriana, Syrian, important. I think he enjoys that. Kwaba la my emotions amanje amani vele ukuthi bethiqine besithi refu offer ngalo ngichese penalty ngaphushwini uyabo I think into yenza ama players plus chicken ina strategy so ukuthi belokhuze beqile njalo bona base bebone ngani
singathi baqile
hayi bona it was a penalty I don't know it was a penalty Aki, because umuntu ofeza it's a penalty
very boring
hayi boring
so if you are watching video lana just to make context ukuthi ube wazi umthetho webhora ibhora unga extend izandla wenza umzimba wakho ube mkhulu ibhora lokuchaya esandla eboxing ipenalty lapha vele akula indlela esingawo-explain asifuni nje usithatha isikhathi sokuthi isikhathi dana kwayipenalty ngamavidiyo wami vele asifuni explain kakhulu it was a penalty but i-conduct
abayenza-team was wrong
ikhola besikhulu singakangeni urefu la isenze zimkhanyeni yena ngoba urefu la ulezayo
but yapana une-decision yasipotoni
i-chicken please majenzi siyakwazi ukuthi ibhora
lapana I think ama-emotions hayi plus kungani mali strike ndoda yabona nocoach usebenzi uyahamba phela so uyabona ukuthi kungana cause wabona ukuthi la wayekhona vele sometimes ama-coach ayahamba
Antipassy.
But that day, I engage with.
But I'm going to have a look my players.
But Zamubuti, the visit players, yes, we did a red card, the man.
It's still the pay. I have proven the cheapest. sometime we-interview esithi igame yabona le-mazwi bezichawu refu uloyihlahle ezichawu refu I think ugomo bachawu refu beyi-2 ama-play emazwini kuye kwenzakale similar but I think ama-players sayitime bemele lifundiswe ngajensi ukuthi yebo ngamanye but let to control
ukuthi ibhola libuhlungu
ibhola libuhlungu but kubuhlungu bese nxa usubhaniwe nje
akhona ukuchaya into yomele usicontrol
ngoba ivile urefu banga ngamthindi you can be banned lefanya kathwila time
usicontrol lawe because sometimes uyazonda 2 minutes then 2 seconds but uzonda 2 seconds and you are so like in 2 seconds so into yomele ufunde ukuphela decision yakhe it's okay if you have because when you have video
we understand that
ngapha usiyafika day match day umuntu decide ibhola is painful
but in this case my job what makes it worse is lichingela umuntu obe right
i problem yale
ngoba yabona why
right ngoba
forget about it sesikhohle umuntu owenza but lokho esukubona bayishaya
ofithi vele ubekhala kuza ama-points la because ungakhangela ukuthi urefu was right abantu beli-3 points
plus 55 mina vele ngifuna into ezinjalo abantu be-5 but sesiyabuya umemba manje udirayo udirwayo utsho mlo ama-incidents alo semaningi kuma-previous bantu benike igame yemoza wayene 2 ama-red cards wabangani kuba lo msindo sesicheka i-performance last week besikhuluma ukuthi last week but one the previous episodes besikhuluma ukuthi izifo into ebenza ususpend urefu isharp urefu mebenzisewe ngabanjani
ngingakwanisa ukuthi
besevelela amagame usharp but we've got this incident that lokhu icontinue senzakala urefu bengatshayi sharp
maningi ama-refu maningi ama-coaches akhala vele ukuthi urefu uspoile igame lo uyabona into engikhuluma ngazo
urefu akuye ufungwa ama-man of the match
athi uyabona manje
siyakwazi ivaveke ezimbabwe yasithatha isikhathi
vele yathatha isikhathi
but khathesi ama-human era akhona semaningi we-understand urefu
aspoile amagame
ama-decision abo abayenzayo sekulela amagame
kakhulu
ulobhudwane phela okudilwayo bangorefu bayi-2 and utsho mlanda yabo beka bengu-fourth official futhi igame yabo beyi-2 yena lelokhuzini echikenini bebeyi-2 umadilwayo brothers and liyana kulenye igame I think ubhuti wakhe la wanika futhi amanye ama-red card ifamily kind runs the family ukuthi
ukhiphe balola
amagame otsho mlawa sebethethe kakhulu i-center stage izifo angazi ukuthi what can they do ngoba this is paid for football
kakhulu because imagine abantu bayabona igame just because of urefu yenze this and that so vele akusavuma but remember ithelo wabona ama-players aphuma e-ground anti uyabona ukuthi vele it's wrong
ukhona kuyakwenza
it's wrong
right igame leyo senikile ipenalty umsindo usuyenzakile ama-support aseyala ukuthi ipenalty chayo khanya ukuthi urefu lo yenza nto urefu uthi akutshintsha igate kwenzakala nga-professional uthi akutshintsha igate ipenalty ejayelwa kuleliya ligate
balokuthi uthi i-free-kick asitshintshele i-free-kick sitshele kuleliyani lingani umuntu lingani
urefu sesimsapotile urefu savuka ukuthi but yabana ipenalty khanya urefu sesenzani senza into engayisiyo into eyenzayo ipenalty lena washaya
wakongibona lichayelela even alachaye eqolo yakuthi iphela ngoba sokuthi ipena asitshintsha amakhesi sesesiqophile ukuthi let's just get nabantu usuke kanje
alright ngiyazibuza ukuthi ipenalty phela kwenza into eziyi-2 uDonovan wayengayisave
yiko phela ukhuluma ngabo
so Donovan ayisave
so kudlala njalo
ehlehlohle
Avela kuvuma ngawo kuthiwa yini ngiyavuma ngoba ngiyabona imthethe igure khatshana sinzo ngeli ibholo ke uthi hayi ke dila ngapha isayenza yazokuthuswa
awudiwaye nobhutshwa ke hayi bekhali ngoba izinto yakho abantu sebekhali even on in that case chicken abakhala ngayo if there is no video evidence ukuthi sibone sharp ayizange
lami angiyibo asiyibonayo ivideo ukuthi
abantu abaseground I've got sources abaseground abathi more similar wayala so kulesandla sesi3
so yawovele chiyo
kulesandla urefu vele utshenzile lwana wayevele one side ngiyafaka ilokuzini umthulisi uthinga kakhulu nje uthi Scotland mark my way iyaspoil ibhola umbono isizophila ngoba ungakhanyela ama decision into lesasikhala ngabe ku division 1
isiphenduka baye ku premier
League
mana sibone this you
have ku Premier League ngoba abantu bakhala ukhanya ngani lokunye kunimshikasho kwenza abantu bakhala ama-supporter
supporter kubona khona ichicken kuthiwa kale ama-supporter angali chicken yama-supporter ayisupportwa wena ama-supporter akale bajikele ama-message ukuthi hayi
I think it's high time Ziva looks into this proper ngoba sifuna ibhola kuhle understand ngoba it's not nice man awuchaza. Then looking at another incident away from a football pitch, kule event try in magazine jana try what magazine bafuyezela ama legend something man yabona
just to appreciate
ukuthi elokhanya ochomlabana awatshelanga Islanders bazenzile basebenzisa lokhu Islander bathatha angikwazi ukuthi wena ngelihlo lakho ubona njani ukuthi umuntu efuna appreciate maybe ngithi machisa wena current footballer I want to appreciate you what is it or it's different ngithi maybe ngama legends Ajax want to celebrate ama legends Ajax machisa ngobile yabona mfuke zi-event just to recognize ama legends then sithi thina vele were not part of this what yiko okwenza ke Ireland ibhala incwadi yakhona la lapha ngizathi ukuthi i-disclaimer actually bathi disclaimer Ireland would like to categorically state that the club is in no way involved in the event being planned for the 31st of May 2025 at Bulawayo Theatre by the Neighbor magazine by the Neighbor magazine under the former Islanders Players Appreciation Ceremony. The club met with the main organizer of this event earlier where it was made clear that the club does not approve of the use of the club's name or its registered trademarks at this event. It is therefore concerning to note that the organizers of this event have gone on to breach some of the guidelines set for the organizing of this event. Consequently, anyone associated with the club who attends the event should do so fully aware of the club's official position on the said event. We want to enjoy it.
No, I think it's wrong what they teach because abantu abafuna appreciate ama former players because it is ama former players abanye kunzima uze siba recognize ukuthi athi lo wadlala Islanders lo because bona eziclub abakwenza eziclub bona abazange babayenze endala bona isimila ukuthi babe wacela imali ukuthi cela imali yokuthi bona abantu abaziyenzelayo iwelwisha so lo ngiyukuyaleli iwelwisha ukuthi incede abantu abadlalela i-team nale awuyenzi
the audio circulator ezichinga kakhulu and I think I can support you
because to be honest wena awungeke uyalila abantu abafuna ukwenza something good
into yanihle
ayi ngibone labo kapila sithi ngiyabuya lami ngizo
you understand
then imagine se find out ukuthi khathi club yakhona ngajela niyala something big
former player maybe asithi ama-player bonke badubeke but izitori esizizwayo usubona ama-former players amaningi they awakusha
kakhulu
and akunamuntu owarecognize ukuthi uyizothiwa Eric Mdzingwa soku-24 sokuhamba njani izitori ezinjani as not nice then omunye umuntu bese kuyethi uMdzingwa wathatha Jake kuya ngapha bengiyothola kuyi-20 clearly appreciate
you never know kwabane ukuhlanganeni kuyavuka something
you understand
yabona impilo njalo
lawo ukapini nomcina kudala bengcole isipam
bani ngale
asabe njalo you understand sowuvukesa ubusutholi iclub edlala iyawuyala lapho
thina hayi lokho asukufuna
lapha ezami ivoice ngibona engizvile ibhoda support because uzowenza example thini umdala usamachujo washona ahlala la xoxa la umdala onje umdala uthi hayi kuba nesikhathi egula yabo but utholi ngesikhathi ugula team maphenqa wedlala yawo team wedlala azange ibuye beyithi amdala yabo yapha yagula mana sike sibhadala ama bills osenzi
thina ukuthi I think umbi Africa umbi asifuni ukuthi ama legend tuswale
vele moyo uzophiswa ntong ambassador eAfrica
achawula man imagine belokhuza umuntu anga yabona but manje thina selokwana ukuthi we take it like very important thatha njengento nje but it's something big
I think iYelendas bona into emele beyenze the current executive yeLanders they should have contacted this guy babanike support
simple bebengeke beshelu
babanike support budget into eyenza
nice
kuyini ufuna
esingawini
but usufake disclaimer ukuthi kanti bafuna ukuyenzana ama legends njengoba labo bayenze
because ama legends awutheki
and ama legends eboso
maningi kakhulu uyabo
there are so many islanders soccer legends ukuthi mdala ngabe kuthiwa bebengceba bafaka uma-rules eclub ubenze something but uyothola ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu abadlalileyo iLanders abanye abantu abangakwaziyo ukuthi ungamboni umuntu
ukuthi khathi lo because ilegend ilakhi iculture yalento so ungamkhatha it's easy to club ukuthi move on uyabona than ukuthi sibe kuthakelula longayazi iculture but you need ama legend
izolo bese beef abantu bebekhala even ngekhithi odlala yini but kulabantu abanjengalawa why abantu bona bengababiseduze manje i-team ngeyethu yatambula
because umsefu ukwenza so for legends ukuthi vale vision
clean eshap
vile
nje ikhithi team ayila khithi khithi one yabona izitamba lesa esikhulu awukhosha kunabantu abafuna ukubana visionary leadership
abafuna ukuthi benze
manje into yenza eshap even club ngasincedisa you understand ngendlela so the partner they do something nice but bafike befake disclaimer bethi hayi thina we are not associated
thina vela sokufuna
asiko ngenza indlela vele ukuthi bengayenzi into lenesha
benza indlela hayi lokhu chiyani kube bona nje ufuna uzenze kube wena bathi bathi awasigijile
nje dawo nje laba nini
sozosuka yaba legend
so khale sikhuma bomthingo ama legends akathi oyini ngama legends akathi ama legends okephayile
ama legends
uwe bayenzela nini
vela we
yabona hayi please hayi lokana mina no TP
no ezizabile ukuthi uthala lokwenza isikho
dala idisclaimer khona isemphakathini ibhali umenze uzayifaka I was not I was in support of Ezra. No, into le ngiseyibona ngendlela ezizakhuluma ngayo. Into le ayibusha.
Vele ungayibona yilisi yabondaba advertisement okay.
Hayi vela
because ufana ukutshela umuntu esithi awula leli ngiyowe legend ayindalini 200.
Unisuya
hayi umnikela 200.
But I'm umuntu lo wasichaza esikhathi you understand
wasinikhipha abaningi ama championship yaba ama legend
yabagcina most ama-championship in 2006 abantu they appreciate the yesterday players
exactly
but the team abayidlalela yiyekhipha i-display amnakwazi angikwazi ukuthi ibingayenziwa njani but hayi
wenzima maybe bazazirevise ukuthi hayi but isiyenzile ngosho ipolisi ubhala
ngoba
phakathi yakhala
abantu bakhala nje
bakhala
yo utricky kuningi asazi ukuthi iyaphetha but sabe sifake ibisho sidinhle sibona ukuthi angithi ihlala 31 event la sizacheka lapho zafika
so next
this week
Saturday
ngizafika nje lapho ngibona uyafaka i2 cents yami lapha ngibona ukuthi what's the story asingene ku kasi lapha Premier Soccer League sikhayela ama game adlazwe sikhathi ngayo Saturday Kwekwe versus Telwan ese Bata Stadium Kwekwe lost that game 1-0 to Telwan and I was put on a fire awuchisile team ivinenda
about 4
abamfuna bathole ngemaneni
because kulabo
kalufana nokadlala yena nje urazo baba offload wathi kakwani yabona usheshe njani sekunine top score so that game as predicted navele ngambona
straight win
futhi Telwan is 30 then the other game so no match to 13 ama represent ama results lawa adlala Saturday 24 May Greenfield yakuwa the most 1-1 as predicted
I bet now the drought yana ema gozi now kathesi yiwo
I but as I was saying it disc
football
platinum pure display but you got but I'm ready to 11 games draw 2 win no lose if they could turn the draws into 3 points gonna even
now Papa win 3 games
but no more winning bonus then the last game was between this was on Saturday. The last game was between Engage Platinum Stars and they're gonna first go with the play which is a trainer Martin.
I will 7. I will span. Let's hope they turn around.
But the sole Chabelugo says, we are sharp. First game, draw the games 1-1. Second game, we lead. 2 games.
Last minute.
Bamcha from behind, Bambuda.
But your only direction with her.
What's your life?
Singapore. Mana Simboni away.
I'm born.
Simboni away. And his own case said, as you go through their cooker.
Then on Sunday there was 3 games. Izolo there was a triangle versus Emanika Diamonds. So triangle. Okay, this is. Hey, you go need incident. ugoruka
amuyile ndoda
ngibonile
bazona bakuthi penalty
i-train okay nesizi bengicabanga ukuthi uzawina uphume ku-relegation but yo udliwa iluzi then there was a game of the week i-Cape Simba Imbakala ngane awuluphatha uyadliwa yende but isimba ngasebambile
awusekoni
ngasebambile
ungadlali nge-3
also isimba bora beating Cape United 3-1 elofa hayi Cape vela ama-Giants
I think ngojuni ulemsebenzi eminengi
umakhethi so ngezasebenza ikhokodini
wonke umuntu uthi juni isifuna ukudika
so ngezasebenza ikhokodini ukuthi asisiziwe mashisa alokushaya izitini ukuya bali-Chiefs hayi Chiefs uphendula then last game was between Highlanders ne-Rentals izulu
Hey, show come there.
Akuna show. Yes, i-Highlanders.
Akumuntu besithi Highlander home.
I-Highlanders ibisivuka ibisilahla.
Sikakhulu.
I-direction ibisinganyakhayo but I think kulama elements obona ukuthi i-team le isawaleka and ucoach akabi fully i-team akayibambela bese ngoba I think we've been saying this for quite ever since the season. Means you can attest from game 1. Here in the first half, you should.
And the moment there was.
I want to know. Here in my question was, it being for first half.
What's it?
Che, alright. It team there on Jarabi and a striker on Fanagan. Jarabi is me. That's in bad. Uhlukasa nge-Big 4. Mina to me that says it would. Sesikhuluma ibhola technical and tactical silo uncoach. I-team le yakwazi ngisho ufana ukuthi i-team ifingenile red card. I-Big 4 ngiyani.
Lemanga also the first half make sure ukuthi abantu abasukusha laba.
Mthala vele there is no option. Wakungena ukuthi fire from minute 1 to 45. Lidla ngezinye speed ezithi wrong. Then second half
ukuthi hayi sesiyaqeda.
You understand? You get 2 goals or 3 goals first half. The game is done.
Well, why say we weird?
Second half team that we've been saying in this show.
Second half very high.
Second half team that very.
When the first half they tried to fight for the lowest down. Second half was required that one. Yes, the team.
As in Krumera support Rangers. But Mjara usajerere gomba ya Rosio na Mjara. Ndoba nemeti zese baba. Uhambe echeck uwezomemba lawo. Bawutshela ukuthi vele izimeza i-team vele sebekwazi ukuthi bona i-team elosho ngoba they put extra effort.
Kakhulu. Bona ma 100% bona babe 150.
What surprised me Highlanders no shot on target.
First half. Ndabona babesebenza bona.
I-Highlanders first minute ihle yaphuthi. Ngikayisa. Bahle bakhutha.
I-maximum effort yabo manje leya. Yokuthi uboni bayakwazi ukuthi abashotile but asebenzeni manje. Pero kumdala webela ama-touches games lawo yabona ukuthi
wayepasa ibhola lingakuye
yakwanisa ukuthi because ispace e-1 kasweli
vele ngasisweli
yakwanisa ukusithola bamba even ya-3 ya-5
but my guy that guy is 54 years old 54
going
54 you fail to beat a team first a very 54 year old
ndodaba babesebenza
but until you check out what it's not about the quality of players at time.
It's about the effort.
Yeah, it does. You need someone who will motivate the boys more. On the day, in the support, I would team support with them.
Yeah, very
Country.
Very
so ukhayindi nabe wathi majensi sambeni xa coach okwazi ukuthi emotivate abafana bakhe noma sekuthiwa abantu bakhala bathi quality ayisiyo level yayilela mina tobi ngiyala
kade sekuyenzile for the past 35 games yes yeah la wonke umuntu kwisefunda but abafana laba sebele coach
even mina wasefunda ukuthi there's something that's happening but omunye tobi kulelo kanti uyabona i-team wena you know i-team okudlwe khona ucoach uyayibona because ucoach nxa esethi i-team in a particular way asingeke simphikise as players
vela umphikise
ucoach angathatha umuntu ethi right wena imvindla center back up strike angeke umphikise that's the coach decision so kulezi indawo lapho udlwa khona ukhayini like izulu mina nje ngibona ingena ngathi kathi ukhayini i-team leyo uhlale ibona why engahle ethi fire congested midfield ethi 3-5-2 right ethi ba attack why yabona mina that was me then second half subuya if you get maybe 1 or 2 goals subuya second half because you know the strength of your team subuya second half sufa kumbiwa suvala you understand ngiyabe ngibona coach lo tactical and ubuya ngezinye style you understand but you don't do that i-team is down so ngona uchinge i-team sichaye 3-5-2 but is it down labana sebeqinile
ngizekwanile futhi
phela uthi lokho kule is score 3 or 4
yebo
sela ukuthe kakhulu ukuthile zibilo obenja uPTC angikwazi bezokwenzakala abakhutha AV1 uPTC impathe le-striker mdala so kulamanye ama-game ukuthi even i-team equality ngendlela abantu ababesho bayibona isipho odla ucoach ngiyakutshela
khona kunjalo
so looking at i-log table Moses still on top over Simba with 2 points the 27 Moses Simba with 25 followed by Scotland ile game yabo liyana chicken of which ile 23
that is
of which uyabanika 3 points la okhanya ngabazabanika phela yamba ku26 yabo number 2 bechana le Simba le Moses 1 point then ukwenziwa ama-seniors esikhathi ama-fees kuyahamba igame le nge-weekend kuvele zishiyana nge-1 point yabo then i-rentals isunumber 4 nge-22 i-team ele-54 year old oqalisa everyday
omunye Facebook esitudala sihlala sithi rentals ishotile kade sikunumber 4
ukunumber 4 22 points rentals sithi yayidla kunumber 9
yes
the 18 points then i-bottom 4 with i-Capes at 10 points number 15 Dynamos 9 points number 16 i-Triangle 8 points number 7 then i-Kwekwe i-12 zonke with 7 points looking at match day 14 ama-fixtures this week is your match day 14 ama-fixtures Saturday 31st May 2025 first game it's the PC Kariba versus Yata FC eNyamunga Stadium 3 ubona njani
true
Kariba umthi Kariba umthi ezihamba ngayo azibu
but I ngamboni true
what it true I see Kariba taking this one near 1-0 score now then we've got another tricky encounter Tail 1 versus FC Platinum Ascot
another true
Platinum ngaba draw
another true because ile cheese i-20
unavayisa ngabaseka basepla but they I think they game one yabe ama goals because unga check ama game ale Tail 1 lama goals
i-BTS
usungaboni lokhu izini i-Tail 1 una 2-1 or mapeza la 3 points on the road but yes I like then we've got the rentals Bikita El Faro rentals ngayithatha Yeah, it has been. Then there's another tricky encounter. Simba Bora, the Ngezi, what's a nine? Zonke zivela kumawini.
Simba Bora straight.
Yeah, I'm not familiar. Simba singakhiwa. Then we've got Manika Diamonds versus Cape United. Esakuva.
Manika.
Uthatha Cape United ukuthi vela awusela
Manika.
Then at Uveve Stadium, with a chicken taking on trying.
I did first win now, man.
Trying. But I was a train. Chicken just struck you. Just struck blind.
Catches Master.
As it is now. They play better away. Oh. Then game of the week is there abona can over and over Trump kuruma AI is a zero AI abona Trump is the game that we have all been waiting for. Most versus Scotland. I think this will be blockbuster. This will be this will be a blockbuster.
Zochamati development is in advance.
But it just says, well,
it's a game to watch.
They make sure due to our screens. ZBC.
Moving through.
I want to throw. Let's see more taking this one nation.
But all
to play for. We got the one good night in Martinez dangerous. Don't believe them. Don't trick you. Hey, and don't believe them as a criminal.
Level 8 goals.
9. You don't believe them. I suppose it's at 29. Let's hope at you, believe I also be. But then my pay just was there was Spanish. Then, Sunday, 1 June. We've got Dynamos versus Islanders. What used to be a game? City deal. It's about to see my parents. But this is Mary Moses.
This is me, Moses.
Let's go see. I don't know.
So,
I don't bore
I don't
bore.
Hey,
I'm very possible.
Hey, I was Danny to a KFC. Hey,
I'm